Hello, everybody. My name is Chez, and you're watching Project Food Garden. Today is a Friday. It's a beautiful sunny morning, start of autumn naturally. The summer is gone. So, today we'll show you some new varieties that have matured and the very idea and the spirit of a food garden. And I kept saying this in my previous videos as well that we are not a commercial entity. So, whatever we are growing in our garden, it has got several ways to consume. So we try and purify, we try and make and relish, and the rest of the production it goes to friends, family, acquaintances, and to the community. And the idea is not to sell anything. The very spirit is to enjoy the miracles of the nature, and then spread the love. As far as home produce is concerned, there have been some alarming news locally and around the world. In the North Island, 100% of the crops they have been, decimated by the weather that we had, and there's going to be a lot of shortage of fruit and veg. So inflation is the second factor that is also coming into force. It, pull demand and push demand. So it's going to come into play as well. So all of those who have got food gardens, they would actually, find the real benefit of producing the food in your garden. And if you have a garden, please do share and spread the love to everybody around you, your neighbors and the community where people are in need. I did saw a post on the Facebook, and this gentleman in Christchurch, he has got 8 or 10 fruit trees of nectarines and plums and peaches, and he actually posted that all of those who are looking to buy fruit, don't go to the supermarket, bring your buckets. I've got lots of fruits in the house, and I don't want them to be wasted. Now 8 trees can, I cannot do the maths for how many families it can feed, depends on the size of the family, but the bottom line was the gesture that came out of it. So this is exactly the same thing that we are doing here as well. We will be, giving lots of these away to friends, family, acquaintances, and to the community. So once again, try and make an effort at your level, be it a rooftop, be it in pots, big pots, or in the garden. It's high time, Ever since we had the pandemic, I realized the importance of growing your own food. If you're locked down in the house, you cannot go anywhere. The best thing that to do is to have your own food garden. So at least things which are consumed in the household on a daily basis, you can have those. We have grown garlic, and it's been dried, and we don't have to rush to the market to buy the garlic. Same for chili, same for cucumbers, same for bottle gourd, bitter gourd, tomatoes, lettuce. And this year I did not went OTT with the plantation, with planting the stuff. But because of the ongoing situation that is unfurling itself with every day, I probably would be doing lots of winter wedges. If I can help my own kitchen and everybody else around me, what is more that you can ask from a garden? So on that note, we'll go ahead and do the harvest, and we'll show you what we are harvesting today. So we are back after finishing the harvest. So quickly wanted to share with you how the palette is looking this time on the fourth harvest. So we have got Albenga Oxheart. You can see the health of the fruit. It looks so amazing. It's beautiful. Then we have done 2 blue beauties for you. If I could give you a closer look, take a look at that. Beautiful coloration. It's a wonder of nature, no wonder. And this tomato is really good when you try that in salad. So that's Joanne Flame. And that's green sausage. And I absolutely fell in love with the coloration of this tomato. Take a look. The camera is not doing justice. Again, what I can see with the naked eye, it's not possible to show you that with the camera. And then we have got Ukrainian black, as usual. These are really healthy and chunky tomatoes. Then we have got a few purple calabashes as well down there. And then, of course, we have German red straub. I mean, the size of this tomato is absolutely phenomenal. And the taste is even better. Then we have a few black bears, as you can see. And then finally, one of my last year challenges was this yellow, brandywine yellow. I mean, look at the size. This is not even the biggest tomato right now. The one that is the biggest one is on the plant right now. But I took off these two so we could get a nice balance of orange, lemon, limey color, and the pumpkin kind of yellow that we have here. Then we have red and dark orange. Then we have the blue and red. Then we have these all darkened tomatoes. Also, we have got large plums in there as well. Take a look. Large plum is also a really good variety. Oh, before I forget, we also have harvested this beautiful tomato. This is, believe it or not, and these are beefsteak sized tomatoes. Pardon me, beefsteak sized tomatoes, and they would be really good in cooking and in burgers. I can feel that. I mean, look at the coloration and the quality of this fruit. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at the palette. I'm going to take a picture of this. It looks quite good. And home garden, ladies and gentlemen, it cannot get any better than that. So let's conclude the video then. So I hope that you would like this beautiful rainbow of tomatoes on the table. And once again, if you have not started as yet, it's high time for you to start the ability to grow your own food. I mean, I started off, I've said this many times, started off with pots and then a rooftop garden. So this, ladies and gentlemen, it's not impossible. It's very, very easy. It's very, very possible. And on that note, I hope you like whatever we have harvested today for you guys. I'm really gonna enjoy the brandywine yellow. To be honest, that's one of my faves. So on that note, we'll bid you goodbye. Stay safe out there wherever you are. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Goodbye.